Hi, I've got an unboxing to do. It's an iPhone 10. It's yes. Let's see if we can open it. No, that wasn't this, it's something else. Ooh. There's I had heard there's no charger for it, but there is some sort of charging lead. It's I'm not sure what this is called. That looks like a USB. It looks like it's USB to Lightning, if that's what they still call it. Something I just noticed, you can't see it very well, is the actual camera lens protrudes by good 2 or 3 millimeters. Let's not open its case. No, I'll leave that on. I suppose really the next thing to do is to open it up and put in the SIM card from the other phone. Please hold. There we go. SIM cards have now been changed over. Let's turn it on. I'm presuming it's charged up somewhat. Yes, we seem to have something happening. Oh, the wonderful setup procedure. I've never done this before with an iPhone. Select your country or region. Okay, it says bring my other phone near it. So I will. Oh, that's clever. This phone's detected that phone and now they're talking to each other. Hold your new phone up to the camera. Oh, that's clever. This might be some time. I shall get back to you shortly. Back again. It's giving me a bunch of options. It's giving me a bunch of options. I've chosen to ignore my face on it. It's giving me a bunch of setup options. The security on this means it can have face recognition, but I don't want it. Transfer your data. Yes, please. You can download it from the cloud or copy it from the phone. I'd rather copy it from the phone because I don't know that everything is on the cloud. Of course, whatever it says, you have to agree with it. Even if it says you give the phone back after 6 weeks, whatever it says, you have to agree. I'll continue with that. Never done FaceTime yet. Would you believe it? Brand new phone, got an update for it already. Hi, while it's doing its update, I thought I would mention what else comes in the box. You've already seen the lead, but there's also this. It's contains an Apple sticker, piece of paper that tells you about the battery, the device to push in to release the SIM card holder, and this is instructions. It just says power up, push the button on the side. Make sure you use the official Apple charger. That's it. They're obviously cutting down on paperwork. I'm assuming that they think by now everyone knows how to use an iPhone. I'll be honest, I don't like iPhones. I'd rather have a Samsung. Samsung, if ever you're out there, I think my old phone needs a bit updating, don't you? I've just noticed something. iPhone has a home button here, or fingerprint recognition button, whatever you want to call it. The new iPhone 10 doesn't. Therefore, I suppose you could argue, yes it is, yeah. The visible screen is actually bigger on the iPhone 10, but the iPhone 10 is smaller than this phone. But it's still doing its update. I've also got a case for it. Let's open that up while I'm waiting. Just while waiting for it to download, this is the new Galaxy 10. Let's compare it to a Samsung A10. Yeah, almost the same, but I would say the A10 is bigger. Cheaper, I know that much. I don't know exactly what the problem is, but it says update Apple ID settings, and every time I go continue, most of the time it doesn't work like that. Yeah, it just doesn't want to do anything, so it may be me, but push elsewhere, tap elsewhere, and it does do things. But as you see, go continue, it doesn't want to know. I'm not very happy, but what can I do? Well, as you can see, after umpteen button presses, it's eventually decided to accept the settings. I don't know why it took so long to do it, but it just did. If you know why, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like to support the channel, please buy me a coffee.